All right, so the question reads, scientists estimate that tigers will be extinct by 2022. They also estimate that there are only 3,204 left in the world. Make a graph to reflect this information. So, on the y-axis, we're going to go ahead and put the number of tigers, and on the x-axis, we're going to put the number of years. Since it's 2010, we're going to go ahead and make that 0, and we're going to make this 12 years, which means this would be actually 2022, when the scientists actually think the tigers will be extinct. So I'm going to put a big dot right there. And as far as the number of tigers, I'm going to go ahead and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll make this 3,000, and then I'll just go down by 500. So 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, 2,000. All right. So right now the scientists estimate that there's 3,204. So we'll go a little bit above there. So let's see. This would be 0, 3,204, and our x-intercept down here would be 12, 0. And so if we made a graph, it'd be something like that, hopefully a little bit straighter of a line. Okay? Now, another question that you might ask, well, what is the slope of that line and what does the slope mean? To figure out a slope when you have 2 points, in this case, these are our 2 points, use the slope formula. Each of these is an x and a y. We'll call this the first point, this the second. And we'll plug it into the slope formula, which is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is 0 minus y1, 3,204, over x2 is 12 minus x1, which is 0, giving us negative 3,204 over 12. Now, if you actually reduce this, you'd end up with negative 267 over 1. And what that means is 267 tigers, more tigers are dying than over the course of a year. So every year from that point on, 267 more tigers die every year.